Hello, I'm Steve Miller from Gateway Shoe Machine. Many of you may know me, but if not, I extend a warm welcome. Patchwork is becoming a large percent of today's shoe repair earnings. With a Claes patch machine, you will no longer be spending valuable time using a machine that misses stitches and cannot sew heavy materials. Today, I would like to demonstrate the many features that the Claes patch machine has to offer. Are you ready? I'm ready. First thing we're going to do is show you how the Claes patch machine can go from a heavy leather prime 5-inch sole to a piece of paper thickness. And notice that we have a heavy gear motor on here that allows the motor to go through this heavy work without stress. So as we go through here, we're going through this heavy material here without a problem at all. Now we're going to go straight into paper thickness from that without making any adjustments. The Claes has a longer needle bar stroke, allowing it to sew the heavier material, just like you saw. It's heavier than any patch machine on the market today. That allows it to sew heavy plastics such as hard knee pads, plastic used in O&P shops and shoe repair shops, all leather and heavy types. It has become a state-of-the-art machine for shoe repair, luggage, and sports teams. The Claes features easy accessible stitch length adjustment, allows for pinpoint stitch length accuracy from 1 to 7 millimeters. We're going to go down all the way to a 1 millimeter stitch right here now. We're going to show how easy it is to sew a real fine stitch. Pushing or pulling. Now we're going to go to a 2 millimeter. Now we're going to go up to 3. Now we're going to go up to 4 millimeter. As you can see, we're going very consistent without even pulling or pushing the work. So there's a very consistent stitch length because of its spring-loaded pressure foot and the way the stitch length is designed. Now we're going to go all the way to the longest stitch, so we can give you an idea what the longest stitch on a Claes looks like. The Claes features a 19-inch arm. It also features a small bobbin. Now the one thing nice about this small bobbin is it's smaller around than the Singer small bobbin, but it's a little bit wider. That way you can get more bobbin on a smaller spool. So it has a nice long arm with a small end that can get into tighter areas. The Claes also features, like most patch machines do, a 360-degree pressure foot, which allows the operator to sew in any direction without moving the material. The Claes shuttle features a tension spring that allows the operator to set the exact amount of bobbin tension needed without the fear of the screw backing out. And that's a feature that no other patch machines have. You know, when you're trying to work with a Singer or an Adler or any other machine, a lot of times if you don't tighten the tension screw on the patch machine tension, it wants to back out on you, or you have to tighten it all the way. With the Claes, it has a little clicking screw that clicks one small increment at a time that allows you to get the perfect amount of tension that you need. Another thing that the Claes features is a tapered needle plate locating pin. And one of the nice things about this tapered locating pin is that as the machine gets older, it allows for that wear. So you don't get that side-to-side motion that you get in another style patch machine because of the straight pin. And after a while, you can wiggle this needle plate back and forth, and that can cause needle breakage. I've seen Claes patch machines that are 10, 15, 20 years old, and you cannot get any side movement on this because of that tapered needle plate locating pin. The Claes also features an automatic bobbin winder shutoff. I rolled the bobbin a little bit of the way so we don't have to roll it all the way right now. As you can see, you pull out this knob here, and you can turn the hand wheel by hand. And then the machine will automatically shut off when the bobbin is full. The Claes also offers a 5-spool, easy accessible thread holding stand. And there's so many other features to the Claes that it's hard to just talk about all day if you want to. It's easy to thread, and it's just a nice machine altogether. And I think every shoe repair, every orthotic and prosthetic shop, and every luggage repair sports team should own a Claes. And thank you for listening to this presentation.